Hi there, Nathan Ford, FEIN Industrial Power Tools. I'm here today to run you through some of our most popular oscillating multi-tool accessories. All of the accessories that you can see here today will fit any of our oscillating multi-tools, so that's either our FMT machines, multi-master machines, and also a range of new supercut corded and cordless machines. So firstly, I'm going to go through some of our E-cut saw blades. The first one I'm going to start with is our 157 blade. It's a universal blade, bimetal blade with a fine cutting tooth on it, predominantly used for metal cutting, timber cutting and cutting of plastics. This blade again is E-cut saw blade. It has a swan neck on it, so it's designed for flush cutting and plunge cutting. Universal bimetal. Is designed for cutting metal, but will also cut wood. And the thing that sets this blade apart from any of the other blades that we do is the cutting geometry on the front edge of the blade is set up like a hacksaw. So if there's anything specifically metal that you're going after, I would advise using this blade. The next accessory that I'm going to go through, again, another E-cut saw blade, but this time one of our new curved cut blades. So when you're plunge cutting into a material, you want the centre of the blade to contact the material first. Helps you to be a little bit more accurate with your cut. So FEIN have now introduced a range of curved wood cutting blades. Again, E-cut blade, so designed for flush cutting, but really good for plunge cutting applications. This next blade is a precision blade. So we do a number of different precision blades in different widths and sizes. The advantage of the precision blade over a standard wood blade is the geometry on the front edge of this blade is set up very much like a Japanese handsaw blade. It's very, very efficient cut, very quick cut in hardwoods, and it's especially good in MDFs, chipboards, where adhesives will tend to bind up a finer tooth blade. This blade here is a long life timber blade. So we do a couple of different types of timber blade. This one is the bimetal long life, and it is designed for nail embedded timber. So if you're undercutting a skirting board, plunging into floorboards, and you think that there might be a nail in there, then these blades are the blades that you should choose. To go on to our oscillating multi-tools, we also do a range of scraper blades. So we do a couple of different versions. This one here happens to be one of the fixed scraper blades. We also do a flexible scraper blade. And these blades here are designed for removing anything that has been bonded down. So if you have a carpet tile that's been glued down, you remove it and you're left with an adhesive behind, then these are the blades to choose to remove that adhesive. So we do a range of tiling accessories to go with our machines, and this is one of them. This is the tungsten carbide RASP. It's designed for removing cement-based adhesives, grouts. It can also be used for removal of heavy weathered paint, external glosses, varnishes, anything that you wouldn't want to put a normal sanding pad against. Also in our tiling range, we do tungsten carbide blades for grout removal. These blades are available in varying different thicknesses depending on the size of your tile joint. They're available as full circular blades as well as segmented, and they're also available in diamond variants. FEIN have recently introduced into their range of tiling accessories a tile joint cleaning block. These come in packs of 2. They are chamfered on the edge, can be profiled using an abrasive, and are designed for taking the top surface off a weathered or tired grout in a bathroom or kitchen. As well as using the FEIN multi-tools as a saw, they can also be used as a sander. FEIN do a range of sanding accessories to go on the machine. This is one of the Delta sanding heads. We do them in perforated and non-perforated versions. We also do 4.5-inch sanding pads and also smaller finger sanding accessories for hard to reach areas. As well as the E-cut saw blades for plunge cutting, we also do a range of circular HSS blades. Again, these are for universal use, so can be used for cutting metals, plastics and timbers. Are available as full circular or segmented, and the advantage of a segmented blade is it allows you to cut back into a corner without creating an overcut. FEIN have recently introduced the Starlock fitting system to all of their machines. This simplifies the blade change, makes it much quicker. It means that you're not messing around with Allen keys, with Allen key bolts, with pins, trying to change the accessories over. Now all you have to do is take the machine, take an accessory, click it on, and then to remove the accessory, put your lever over, reset the system, move on to the next one.